This is where we at. This we at. That's the vegan athlete series in the background. Yo, what's good? Got my protein shake this morning. 2 scoops because we bulking. And I'm pretty hungry. So I might be eating shortly. It's 10 o'clock. And so a little bit later start to the day because I had a late meal last night. I did end up eating that meal last night when I was like contemplating whether or not I should. I got up and I ate it, so I had to start my time a little later. And when that happens, I kind of want to shorten the amount of time I'm eating today so I don't have to do it again because I like eating breakfast in the morning. So I like to just have them a little closer together. I'll sacrifice as far as the 3 hours in between each meal just so I can stop eating tonight by 7, 8 o'clock. So that's what we're doing. Going to study and to help you guys lose weight, build muscle, and everything in between. So stay tuned. We'll be eating lunch soon, or meal 1, and I will make sure to show you guys. You can probably guess what it is though. What's good? Just got done eating my food, my first meal of the day. After having my morning shake, I just had this lovely dish here, and we're out of food. I'm bulking, so I'm eating a lot more food than normal, and a lot more than I thought that I was gonna be eating. And so we're out of a nice amount of food, and it's Tuesday. So I got arugula at the bottom, peas, quinoa, raisins. Those are cherries. The darker colored dried fruit are dried cherries. And I got some red onions as well. One thing you don't see is the walnuts, and I don't have any corn or anything like that. I have green beans. I just don't like cooking them for some reason, or preparing them. But we will go shopping, we will re-up. But in the meantime, this is more than enough food, and I just have to eat a little bit more of what I got in order to make sure we stay on the easy gain. So I got some studying to do, and then we're about to go to the gym and get a nice brutal leg workout in. I'm excited, so stay tuned. The next time you see me, we'll be in the gym.
Really made.
just came back from the gym, got my shake. I do 2 scoops with some almond milk and some glutamine, and it's absolutely delicious. That leg day was intense, and I was really hungry towards the end of the leg day. That's how you know I'm getting bigger. That's how you know I need more food. So I'm gonna look into 2 salads before I go to the gym because, yeah, I was hungry. And then look into more like beans and green beans and high protein rich vegetables. So I'm gonna eat probably 2 salads at least this afternoon, possibly 3 depending on the size, because your boy is making gains. So as we get going on, I'm gonna show you the salad when we eat it. All right, so right now I'm eating food, and I had 1 salad directly after that shake. It's been an hour since I've had that salad, and now I'm having another salad. It's in the medium-sized bowl because when I'm having more than 2 salads a day, I like to make them smaller portions, because as we've seen earlier in the series, too much of a load, too much of volume, just amount is not good. It creates inflammation and possibly destroys the gut. And so when you're eating a lot more food, I like to break it down into, instead of 2 meals a day, I like to break it down into either 3, 4, or 5 meals a day. This way I can get more volume, eat more food without causing distress to my stomach. So I'm gonna run you through really quick what I got. In the first salad, right after the shake, I had arugula at the bottom, some quinoa, peas. I had almonds, raisins, and some red onion, salt, pepper, cayenne, apple cider vinegar, some dressing, raspberry vinaigrette, sesame ginger. It's a good time, you know it. And then this next one I had was more of the same. This time I had some cut up apricots in there, just trying out different fruits, different dried fruits. I've had the dried cherries, I've had raisins, which is my favorite so far. I've thrown figs and I've thrown dates, and now I'm trying apricots. So, like I said, I like the way the sweet balances with the, acidity of the apple cider vinegar, whatever vinegar I have in there, along with the pepper and the cayenne pepper. It's a good combination. And so I'm gonna eat that. One way I can tell that I'm getting bigger and progressing is, 1, the scale is going up, so I'm actually weighing more. Another way I can tell is that I'm getting stronger, like physically in the gym, I'm getting stronger. A third way I can tell is that I just meal prepped on Tuesday after doing it just a couple days ago, and I'm out of food basically for the week. This is my last meal prep. And so I can tell by the amount of food that I'm eating and how quick I'm gonna need to go shopping again. So that's a good note. So next time I go shopping, I gotta double up, triple up, nigga what? You know what I'm saying? Just to get the right amount of food. So I'm gonna eat this, study 800 questions a day, preparing for my test next Friday, like 10 days. I got it. Yo, so after that second meal, I thought I was done. I started fasting, and then I was hungry. I was drinking water, but I was hungry. So I had a protein shake with some glutamine, protein, and I had some walnuts too. So these gains are calling me significantly, and I gotta make sure to answer the call. So now we started our fast at about 7:30, and that's what we had. So we'll be able to eat some food in the morning. I love eating breakfast, so that's why I don't like eating too late, because I love eating breakfast and getting my day started, something to do. So we'll be hitting upper body tomorrow, heavy. We're looking to go heavy on the rest of these workouts for the series. And for the last week and a half of phase 2, try to keep the volume down a little bit and just working on really going heavy within a couple of different exercises. And then phase 3 is hypertrophy training. It's where we work on volume, intensity plus volume. So kind of like my push-pull leg program. If you guys have seen that, the Lean Mass Maker. It's like 8 to 12 reps. We're doing 4 sets. We're lifting heavy. And it's a good time. So that's what we got planned coming up. So stay tuned. You'll see me lifting heavy. You'll see me making progress. You'll see me making gains. And you'll see it all being done on a vegan diet. So I feel good. Calories feel good. I'm going to have to increase the amount of food that I buy at the store so that I can increase the amount of food that I'm eating at home, because I'm starting to have to eat more food. And so that's why this might be a little bit less time in between meals, but I'm looking to get in, instead of 2 meals a day or 3 meals a day, I'm looking to get in 4 or 5 salads a day. Smaller portions per salad, but ultimately more salads, which will end up being more total volume without risking my gut health from just eating a big ass salad. So that's what we got planned. That's the forecast for the rest of the season, rest of the series, and I'm expecting to be about 205 pounds solid. Wishful thinking? Maybe. Maybe not. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ask questions. I'm pretty much giving you guys the blueprint of how to transform your body. Just watch what I'm doing. The water, the sun, the sleep, the fasting, the exercise, the cardio, the bike riding, the salad, the supplements. We'll make a video towards supplements. I take a protein shake, EPA, DHA, so omega-3, very important. I take a multivitamin, some glutamine. I take N-acetylcysteine and some lysine sometimes. I take other amino acids, and it helps me keep the body regular. So, like I said, I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Ask a bunch of questions. The more questions you ask, the better it helps me make content for you guys. But nonetheless, this is it. So I will see you guys in the morning. Peace.